With so many people moving to the Charleston area, I get asked a ton, what are the best new construction places to live? So I decided to create a video series of new construction communities in Charleston and what each of these builders has to offer. Without further ado, let's get started. Hey everyone, my name is Jason Husted, and I'm a local real estate agent in Charleston, South Carolina. My team and I have helped over 100 families find their dream home this past year, and I would love to make your dreams of being a homeowner a reality. If you are interested in purchasing, please visit my website by clicking on the link below. It's right down there. And you will have access to all the communities in Somerville, South Carolina. Make sure you stay tuned as we will go over different builders in the upcoming weeks. In this video, we're going to go over D.R. Horton. As the #1 builder in the US, you will find some of the best built homes with this company. The first community we are going to visit is in Pine Hills. This flourishing neighborhood is located in one of the fastest growing communities in South Carolina. One of the residents' favorite qualities is the short golf cart ride to one of the many schools, shops, and restaurants, all within minutes of their home. Here, you will find a variety of models that boast the owner suites within the first floor of the home. A unique feature of this community is that it will have its own resort-style amenity center with a water slide for those hot summer days. Keep in mind, D.R. Horton builds energy-efficient homes. An energy-efficient home is a perfect example why so many clients choose a newly constructed home. This will save you thousands of dollars a year. If you're looking to unwind, there is a fishing pier and a campsite here. Great for those that love the outdoors. They have really put a lot of thought into the neighborhood. Let's check out the video of what you're going to get within the amenity center. Also, while we are going through these communities, if you are interested in knowing more about them, please feel free to reach out to me and my team at 843-925-7600. We would love to help you out and answer any questions that you may have. Next up on our tour is Shellpoint at Cobblestone Village. This growing community is conveniently located in between Somerville and Goose Creek. Just within minutes of its location, you will find many shops, restaurants, and even the medical hub. Highway 26 is down the road, connecting you to employers such as Boeing, Mercedes-Benz, as well as being close to the Charleston International Airport. Each one of these homes has an inviting feel to them, with a large kitchen spaces and bedrooms that are plentiful in size. They're just starting a brand new phase here, so act fast before they are sold out. You also have the added benefit of owning a smart home, a feature that connects your appliances and devices to the internet, such as security systems, thermostats, lights, and more. You can control them and monitor everything from your smartphone. No more worrying if you left the heater on. Last but not least on our list today is the Ponds. This community is located off of Highway 17 in Somerville. If you're looking to stay in shape or try a new class, the Ponds has its very own YMCA. At the heart of the Ponds is the farmhouse. This is a gorgeous home built in the 1840s that you can rent out for different events. Behind the farmhouse is the amenity center and soccer field for those beautiful days spent outside. The treehouse is a spot where locals love to relax and let the kids play. This is the perfect place to go outside and get some fresh air. There are plenty of trails located around this neighborhood, surrounded by the 1,100-acre wildlife preserve. Many residents will go out and walk or ride their bikes down the 21+ miles of trails, go fishing at one of the many ponds, or watch local concerts at the amphitheater. There is something for everyone at the ponds. These are just a few communities D.R. Horton provides. They are all unique in their own way, and I would love to help you figure out which one is the best for you. Also, if you're looking for something else, there are plenty of options out there, and my team and I are eager to help you in the home buying process. Please reach out to us at 843-925-7600. We look forward to welcoming you to your new Charleston lifestyle. Thanks for watching.